Wow, look at who you find in the middle of nowhere. Spooky. Well, g'day. Today finds us at Heaton Lookout, which I've given you a quick little look at. Kaz and I are going for a little camp overnight tonight. No hard four-wheel driving, no nothing like that. Just going to go and find a camp. We've just pulled up at Heaton Lookout, which is in the Watagan State Forest. So you've probably seen a million videos on Heaton Lookout before, but here's another one. It's just an awesome view out here. So we're having a bit of a look before we head off to find camp. It's just an overnighter. I'm just doing Saturday night, go home again Sunday. It just happens to be a beautiful clear day. It's 34 degrees today, so it's bloody hot. But it's not too painful in the shade here. Anyway, we're going to go and find camp. And Kaz is going to just look out. Look at her looking out. Are you looking out, Kaz?
I am looking out.
Look out. Kaz is looking out. So I've arrived at the camp spot. Now, some of you may have seen this before, but I'll give you a look at it anyway. Because I think it's pretty specky. That is our view straight out of camp. So I'm going to set up camp and we'll see in a while. Oh, cheers, dear.
Cheers, dear.
Clink. Hope you like the view.
That's sensational. It's awesome. It's so clear. You can see for miles today.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Kilometres.
Beautiful. See everything. What a great spot to look over a fire. I'll be happy with that. Yeah.
We've got this beautiful fire, which we'll be cooking our steaks on any moment.
His worn out husband.
And my worn out husband has just been chopping all the wood, as you just saw, with this beautiful view.
Awesome view to chop wood to. I've been using these Front Runner Wolfpack Pro boxes for a little while, and I thought now was as good a time as any to show you how they're going. In the back of the Ranger, it's dusty, it's a ute, so you know they get dusty, and that's where these come into their own. The Pros have got thicker catches on them, guys, so that's why they're a Pro. You just take the lid off, and if you can see in there, everything is perfect. There's no dust in there at all, so that's what you're after. So if you want a good storage box to do the job for you, Front Runner Wolfpack Pros, I reckon they're the go, because as you can see, like I said, absolutely no dust in there. They did it all on Fraser Island, didn't let any dust in. They've been down the high country, but that was in a wagon, so they didn't get as dusty. But as you can see in the back of the Ranger, dust central, none in the boxes. Righto. I don't very often do cooking that I video, and I rarely cook on the fire, so tonight I'm doing both. I'm going to cook on the fire and show you what I'm cooking. What I got there is just a bit of rump steak. Now that bit is too big for me, so we go Harvey's at Kaz and I when we're having steaks this size. So I don't do any fancy seasoning or anything, guys, so I'm not a cooking segment. I thought you might be interested in what I actually do. So the most interesting thing I do on my steaks is a bit of Italian herbs. Now I give that a little while to get a bit going, and then I'll flip it and I'll herb and salt and pepper it up again. But it should be hot under the steak, because it's bloody hot here sitting next to the fire. Well, she's coming along well. Now Kaz normally likes the steaks a little bit on the medium side, but I've managed to talk her into having them well done, because I like my steaks well done. Sorry for all the guys who like them a bit raw, but I don't like pink in the middle. So I definitely like them on the well done side. I reckon we'll have that in a few minutes. I will run a knife through it to make sure it's cooked in the middle. But it's definitely getting there. Don't cut yourself.
Okay, I'm not going to run my hand along the blade.
Kaz and sharp knives, guys. She got a bad history of sharp knives. Still a little bit rare in the middle. Good to go yet. Alright, it's just about done. Some people are going to say they're too well done, and well, it's each their own. I like them well done, and guarantee these will not be dry and horrible like a lot of well done ones are, because there's still lots and lots of juice running out of them, so they're pretty good. Now we're going to cut them up and plate them and all that kind of exciting stuff, and we'll give you a look in a minute. There it is, guys. Dinner.
Yummo.
Kaz is good at balancing stuff on her knees. I'm absolutely lousy at it, so I eat off the coffee table. Alright guys, we're going to eat tea and have a drink and look at the view. We'll catch up with you probably in the morning.
Oh, what a beautiful view.
It's a cracker, isn't it?
Steve will show you the view right about now. The sun setting over the mountains.
That's what we're looking at, guys. The sun setting just over there. We've got all that beautiful lake and coastal scenery to look at. See you tomorrow, guys.
The next day.
Well, this is camp this morning. Not quite how it was last night. We packed the awning up at 3 o'clock because the wind changed direction and started blowing straight into us from off the cliff edge here. And the awning was flapping around and wasn't in danger, but I just felt it was better to pack it up. So this is our view this morning. Nice place, stunning view to look at. So we're going to just sort of slowly get motivated to do stuff. That's where our fire was yesterday. So slowly get motivated and work out what we're up to today. I'll probably have a cuppa in a minute and think about brekkie and stuff, and we'll see you soon. Kaz is doing the cooking this morning. We're cooking on gas because we don't want to heat the fire up and get it hot, so we're cooking on gas. Kaz is doing the bacon. I'm doing the water boiling in the jet boil, which would work much better if we put the lid on it. There you go. So I'm making the cuppers, Kaz is making the brekkie. Got to be happy with that. Got my knife and fork down there. Bacon and eggs. And a view. No, what more you'd want there?
Eggs, bacon, eggs. Delicious. Oh, what is a view?
Yep. Hard to beat, eh? Alright, we've basically finished packing up camp. Just a quick little overnighter into the Watagans. There's lots and lots of places like this in the Watagan Mountains. Just got to go and look for them. So we're going to finish packing up, head out, and just go home for the day. So as I said in the beginning, not a lot of four-wheel driving or any four-wheel driving in this particular trip. Just a nice little place to go and camp overnight. So I hope you didn't mind it. Anyway, if you did like it, chuck a like on it. Always helps the channel. If you're new here, consider subscribing.
Hit the little bell for notifications.
Exactly right. And to the old hands, as always, thanks for taking time out of your day to watch one of our clips. So it's cheers from me.
And it's cheers for me.
Just get out there, enjoy the bush, and we'll see you next time, guys. All the best. See ya. And yes, that was the view we woke up to this morning. Why wouldn't you come and camp somewhere like this? You get in the shot, Kaz. Will you get in the shot? God. Not easy working with some people, guys.
You can't control the camera. Alright.
You right now?
Yeah.
Okay.